I will quickly walk you through on how to send PPT file from WhatsApp to laptop. So if a friend or a colleague in the office sent you PowerPoint file and you're struggling with how you can send that file to your laptop from that WhatsApp contact, this video is for you. So let's get to our iPhone and start the process immediately. On your iPhone home screen, navigate to the WhatsApp app. Tap on the WhatsApp app for it to open. As the app opens, tap on the contact that sent the PPT file to you. So in this case, Mike sent the PPT file to my WhatsApp contact. So I'll tap on his name. Tap the download button on the file. The file is downloaded in the WhatsApp but not available on my iPhone. Okay, so I have to save this on my iPhone. So long press on the file. From the list of options, select forward. As the PowerPoint file is selected, tap on the arrow that points up at the bottom right. You can see a new page with some options. Drag up on the page a little gently. Then select Save to Files. You may be landed on a page that looks like this, showing you recently used folders, locations, and your favorite locations. We want to save this file on our iPhone locally, so select the On My iPhone option. Now, tap on the Save button, which is at the top right. This file is now saved on our iPhone locally. Then get to the home screen of your iPhone by swiping up through the bottom. Now we are on the home screen. Then get to the Files app. So tap on the Files app. You may be landed on an interface that looked like this on this Files app. Alright? Select On My iPhone option. You can see the folders that are available here. Some of these folders were created by me, and some of these folders are available here because I installed some applications that has the capacity to share files. Example is Xender, Word, Excel, and Google Chrome. They have the capacity to share files between iPhone and PC. All right. So now what we need is, if we don't have any of these apps on your iPhone, like Xender, Word, Excel, you need to install it. Okay. So in this case, I want us to work with Xender. So install Xender on your iPhone. But let me quickly walk you through on how you can do that. So I'll get to the home screen. Then I'll get to the App Store. I'll tap on it. As the App Store opens, tap the search button and then type Xender. Then search. As it shows up in the search result, just install it. Immediately you install it, a Xender folder will be automatically created in the Files app. Alright, so here I have installed it already. Okay, so let me get back to the File app and continue. Okay, alright, I'm on the Files app now. So what we need to do is to copy the PPT file into this Xender folder. Alright, so I'll get to the PPT file. That's the one I named Beauty of Tech. Long press on that file and select copy. Then get to the Xender folder again, Tap on it, long press on an empty space and select paste. Now let's get back to our PC and complete the rest of the processes. We need to install an application on our Windows PC. Here I'm using Windows 11. That application will make the file sharing between the phone and this laptop possible, okay? So quickly open your Microsoft Store. Click this search bar area and search for iTunes, okay? That's the name of the application. As you can see, some search results show up. Click on this one, which is the iTunes, okay? Then here you will see install or get button. Just click on it. Here I have open because I have already installed the application on my PC. All right. With the cable you use in charging of your iPhone, connect your iPhone to the PC you are using. All right. Then after the connection, you may be prompted to allow the Windows PC access your phone. That notification may appear on your iPhone screen, okay? Just allow the access by tapping the allow button or confirm button. After that, type the passcode of your iPhone, all right, to gain full access. Then get back to the screen right now. As you can see on my PC, open the application, the iTunes app. So click on open. As the iTunes app opens, you will see an interface that looks like this, okay? Click on this phone icon. When you do that, you will see some tabs by this side. Select file sharing. Then if you can remember, we saved the PPT file in Xender folder. So click on Xender. This displays some files that are available in the Xender, okay? And our interest is on our PPT file, which we name Beauty of Tech. Okay, click on that. After it has been selected, click on Save. This automatically opens the Files Explorer of our PC, which allows us to save files. So select a folder where you want to save the PPT file. So here I want to save it in the Documents folder. So I'll click on Documents. Once the folder is selected, just get down to this section and click on Save Select Folder. With this Beauty of Tech PPT file is now saved in our Documents folder. Let's go and check it out. So I'll open my File Explorer by clicking on it. As it opens, I will select the Documents folder. Then look at our Beauty of Tech PowerPoint presentation file. It's that simple, okay? I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here we discuss more technology, so learn as much as you can. Because many things in our world of today revolve around tech, so get equipped, okay? We cover iPhone, Android, PC, self-publishing, and other important areas of tech, okay? Hit the like button for the video to go viral and leave a comment. Watch this video to learn more on tech. See you next time.